Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you I built out a video editor similar to Canva, which is actually built in React.js. So we are running this application locally just to show you the demo right here. So if I show you the directory structure, this is actually the full directory structure of this React video editor project similar to Canva. It also can record your videos as well. So we are using the latest version of React here, which is 18. We are also using HTML to canvas. Also, we are using FFMPEG WebAssembly library. So it's a single page application. It directly runs in the browser. We are running this locally, as you can just see here. It's also very easy for you to deploy this. The link is given. You can directly purchase it. So after purchasing it, you will get the code from Google Drive, and the application is divided into multiple components. Each component is fully customizable. It's coded inside TypeScript. So every file is customizable. You can customize this video editor. So let me first of all show you the video editor. So here you simply click the choose file button. So whatever video file you want to edit, so this timeline editor will open similar to Canva. So here you can play the video. So now the video will play in the video player right here. And you also get this section to trim the video. So right here, you basically get these sliders, which makes it easy for you to trim out the necessary portion. So you simply select whatever portion that you want to trim out, and after that, just click this export video button. After that, once you click this, FFmpeg will start processing it. You click the export as MP4, and now the processing will start, and it will actually trim out your video. So once it reaches 100%, automatically the output video will get downloaded. So it's a complete project that I developed from scratch in React.js. If you're interested in this, the link is given in the description. You can directly purchase it, and it will save you a lot of time because you no longer need a special software. You can actually do the video editing similar to Canva directly in the browser. So all the files are customizable, as you can just see here. You can even add zoom levels. You can also add text as overlay as well. I will show you. So just wait for the processing to complete, and I just want to show you the fully. You can even manipulate the settings as well. Here you can control the settings. You can even change the quality of the video as well. So you will see the video is successfully downloaded. This is your output video file, which is successfully trimmed out. And now let's suppose you want to apply some zoom effects to the video. So many a times you do need to apply zoom levels. So we have this zoom effect button available. So simply click this, and as soon as you click, the zoom level will be automatically applied at that location. So here you can actually change it, the duration of that zoom level, by simply here you can check out the position here. Just so you can just see how easy it is using the timeline. Just select, so you can select whatever position you want to zoom in. You can also scale it as well, how much zoom you want to apply, and you can select the transition, either it can be smooth or instant. And now if you play the video, if you see, so it will first of all zoom in, and then the video will play. So you can apply multiple zoom levels as well. So again, at this location you want to apply a zoom level, you basically select this location, and then you can adjust this location. And now what happens if I play this, you will see that. So professional looking video editing is basically done. And similarly, we also have the feature to actually apply a text overlay. So at any location you want to apply a text overlay, you basically click, and simply if you want to add your watermark, so here you can select the background color, everything you can customize it, as you can just see here. the text color, everything. So everything is customizable. You can just see here. You can control the font size, everything. You click the add text button. As soon you can control the position as well. So you just need to place it accordingly. So once you do this, you can just see here. After that, you click the export video button, and after that, again, you repeat the process. And now for this, it will take a longer time because it is re-encoding the video because you have applied multiple filters to the video. So for this period, you do need to wait for some time. So once it reaches 100%, automatically your output video file will get downloaded. So that's the actual Calma clone video editor that I developed. So here you can add your zoom level, text overlay. Everything is customizable. The full project, you can purchase it. The link is given in the description. And if you face any sort of problem after purchase, I will definitely help you. So it's actually having all these features. So basically it is encoding frame by frame. So it's actually using this library. If you don't know about FFmpeg WebAssembly, so we have used this library to actually execute FFmpeg directly in the browser. So we are actually using this library in our React project to actually build out this Canva clone video editor. So here you can also adjust the preset, the fallback speed, ultra fast. Everything is customizable. You can change the quality of the video as well. You can change the frame rate as well. So it's fully customizable. So apart from that, we also have, let me also show you, we also have the screen recorder as well. So if you see, we have the screen recorder. You can also do screen recording as well. Very simply, you basically allow, you can basically do your screen recording as well. So recording started successfully. So you can just see here, you can actually do your screen recording and then stop. Started successfully. So you can just see here, you can actually do your, can basically do your screen recording as well. So recording started successfully. So you can click the download MP4 button to actually save the recording as an MP4. So it's a fully fledged professional looking Canva clone video editor and recorder that I built entirely in browser. So if you're interested guys, the link is given in the description. Definitely purchase it.